If you watch this video to the end, I will show you how to find high demand, hot selling products that have the potential to make you at least 1 million naira monthly, which is approximately $2,000. Can you beat that? These are hot selling products that solve an existing problem and also have an existing set of customers waiting to buy from you. If only you sell these products today. Hello, my name is Victor Injimogo and welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss actionable tips and strategies that can help you grow your e-commerce business online. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to find winning products that sell like crazy. But before we go into the full details, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not done that, kindly click on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon so that whenever I make a video, you'll be the first to hear it. So let's go over to the main points. Now, why did I make this video? When I started my e-commerce journey, I was always finding it hard to find that winning product. I was jumping from one product to another, just trying to find that product that will make me a lot of money. And in the process, I burnt a lot of money on products that were not quality. In fact, I always tell this story. I imported a product from China that was meant to suck fat from people's stomach and make their stomach flat. But when I bought it, it was like children's panties and the women were very big. It was not their size. I had to dash that product out. These are the type of mistake that you want to avoid when starting out. You want to find the right product that has the right quality and products that you can get for an affordable wholesale price and then bring it in here and sell them for good profits. Those are the type of products that you want to find. Now, what's the criteria for picking a hot product that is guaranteed to sell? As an entrepreneur, I have 5 things that I look out for when picking a hot product, and I'm going to go after them one after the other so you will not make the same mistakes which I made. Number 1, it must be a problem-solving product. You don't want to pick a product that does not solve a problem for anybody. If you pick a product that is not solving anybody's problem, you are going to beg people to buy from you. Instead of you making money, you'll be begging more people to buy from you, and that is not the type of business we want to go into. We want to go into a business that wants to present our products to the customer or to the public using Facebook and Instagram ads. They will beg to buy from you. So, number 1, your product must be a problem-solving product. Number 2, your product has to have a lot of orders on top e-commerce websites like AliExpress, Alibaba, and Amazon. Why do I say so? When your product has a lot of orders, that means the product is a good product, is a good quality product, because other marketers like you and I will not be buying a product in bulk that is not good. So you want to make sure that this product has a lot of orders from other e-commerce people who are actually marketing this product. You want to make sure that it has a lot of orders and is quality. Number 3, you want to make sure that your product has good reviews. Reviews are very, very important. You want to know what people who have bought this product think about it. If the reviews of any of your products that you are trying to choose for your e-commerce business is bad, please run away from that product. Run away from it like your life depends on it. Why? Because if you end up buying a product that has bad reviews, you are going to get a lot of refunds. Your customer will be calling you up to asking for a refund, and that's not the type of business that you want. You want to make sure that your product is quality, and one of the ways you can know that your product is quality is by checking the reviews on top websites like AliExpress, Alibaba, and Amazon. Those are places where you find good reviews about products. That's the places where you find what people think about the product you're about to invest your money in. It is very, very important. Don't skip this step. Number 4, your products must be as lightweight as a cookie. Why do I say so? When you're importing these products, in case you're importing it from China or AliExpress, you want to have a product that is as lightweight as possible so that the shipping cost will be less. If your product is heavy, the higher your shipping cost, because they charge more for heavy products. So you want to make sure that your product is as light as a cookie, possibly. Number 5, you want to make sure that the product that you want to pick for you as your e-commerce products should be able to sell for at least 100% profit. Now, what do I mean by 100% profit? You want to include the cost of the products, the price of shipping, cost of advertising, cost of delivery, and then miscellaneous. Once you've added all that, you can times it by 2, and then the extra money on top of it will be your profit. That is 100% profit. So you can do 200% profit or 300% profit, depending on whatever you like. But we want to make sure that you can make at least 100% profit. That means if you calculate everything, if all your cost price of your product is 10,000 naira and you want to do 100% profit, that means you should be selling that product for at least 20,000 naira. You want to make sure that that product is a product that you can sell for at least 20,000 naira if you bought everything for 10,000 naira. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying.
Now, where do you find a hot product? It's definitely not in your fridge.
When it comes to finding hot products, there are many websites for finding it, but there's an easy to go to website that when you go there, you can find different products in different categories. And that website is As Seen on TV. This is a US website that contains innovative products that are just being produced, and also that have been products that have been selling over time for a very, 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 very long period of time. You see products have been selling since 2018, 2015, and those products you can still sell them again and again. Why? Because they are solving a particular problem for customers, and there is always market for them. Now I'm going to go to my laptop where I'm going to show you how to use As Seen on TV to get hot products for your business. Let's go over to my laptop now. Now, this is As Seen on TV. As Seen on TV is an American website that contains innovative products that are new and also old products that have been selling since, that anybody can come in and start selling. This website is the go-to website if you want to find hot products. Now, it has so many categories. It has the new arrivals, it has the bestsellers, it has the household niche, it has the kitchen, the outdoor, health and beauty, fitness, clothing, electronics, toys, gift, and many more. It has all of them. Now, I'm going to show you how to find a hot product on this niche now, on this website. All you need to do is, let's say you want to go into kitchen niche, you want to sell products that will help people remove the stress of cooking. You want to sell products that will help people enjoy cooking, that will take away the stress of cooking. What are we going to do? We just go to the kitchen niche, click on it, and then you will start seeing different products. Look at this 1 second slicer. This is a hot product because it solves a big problem. Now, imagine that you have a big family meeting or a big family cooking, and you have a lot of vegetables. You want to slice salad, but you are tired of being with knife and all. This is a product that you can actually use to solve that problem of slicing a lot of vegetables. Now, there's actually videos and pictures of the products. You can take the video that is here on this website. After watching this video, you can actually visit this website on your own and download the video. Now, if you want to source this product from China, you can go to AliExpress. Just go to AliExpress and type in 12-in-1 vegetable slicer. And once you type in 12-in-1 vegetable slicer, you see that the product already has 10,000 pieces that have been sold. That means it is a verified hot product that anybody can jump in and start selling it. Now, they are selling it here for 7,000 naira. If you want to source the product from a supplier, what you can do is go to Alibaba.com. Once you go to Alibaba.com, type in 12-in-1 vegetable slicer. All these products will show. Now, you will see something. This diamond verification here, if it is 3 to 5, if you see 5 diamonds here, that means it's a 100% verified supplier. Now, if you see 3, it's also a verified supplier that you can actually go to source this product for. You can see that it's selling for $4 here. $4. Alibaba is a place where you can actually go and source products in cheap prices. If you want to import from China, the place where you can go and source your products in cheap prices. So that's it for this product. You can also source for these products in GG in case you don't want to go and import from China. Just go to GG and type in 12 in 1 vegetable slicer. You see these products, the products will come in. Look at one of it here, 6,500, 8,000, even that one 4,600, 7,000. Now, this is where you can source your products in case you don't want to go and import from China. If you are in Nigeria, or even in other African countries like Ghana and Rwanda, GG is on those countries too. So you can go there and source for your products there. You can go there and source for your products. All this do is contact them, give them a call and say, oh, I want to buy your products in bulk to start selling online. They'll say, okay, yes, come, please come. They'll give you the address. You can go to their office and then bargain with them. You can buy one, take videos, take pictures of this, use it to run ads. I will teach you all these things in the Millionaire Maker Hospital blueprints. In case you have not gotten it, check the link in the description. You can go there, create your website and all, and then start running ads. Once you start getting orders, you now go and buy it in bulk. You understand? To start selling instead of you to go and buy in bulk first and now start struggling to get sales. So you verify your orders, verify the demand first, see if people are all willing to buy this thing now before you can buy products. That's how you do it. Now there are many other products that you can get on TV. It's not only this one. You can check on the health and the fitness niche. You see, you click on the fitness niche, you see another product. You see these Wonder Arms. Now there are people that have fats in their arms that when they are working those short Wonder Arms that they will be jiggling. Now they want to get rid of that fat, but they don't have all the time to go to the gym. They don't even have strength to be carrying all these heavy weights. This is a product that you can use to solve that problem. You just use it at home and using it to exercise your arm, and your hand will be getting toned and all those fats will be burning away. You can see that this is a problem solving product. You can get this product on Alibaba and also on GG. Let's check GG to see if you can source this product there. So just look for Wonder Arms. You see this product say 5,000, 6,000. You can see that the pricing is varying. Now, that is why I always say that you should get in different markets. Go to the markets. Don't just rely on GG. I have in the Millionaire Maker Hospital blueprints, there is a list of markets that I can actually go to go and get all these products. You also have a list of suppliers that I can go to get all these products. And then go there. By the time you go there, you see this person selling his own 2,500. This one is selling 3,500. This one is selling 5,000 now. You can pick you can check the one that has good quality. Don't just go and look for cheap products. Look for a product that has good quality and affordable price that you can add your own money and sell. That's what you are looking out for. This is a product that you can start selling today. At least you know that as you watch these videos to the end now, you have not wasted your time. I've shown you 2 products that you can actually sell to make money online. So this is before you just buy the corner. Make sure that you are making money, you are making your plans. Let me show you another product again. Now, if you go to our scene on TV, let's say we want to go to the let's check bestsellers. See this tire pump now. This is a product for people that have cars. Now, you might just be driving in the road and your car just suddenly has a flat tire. Instead of you, what if you are on Third Mainland Bridge and there's nobody to stop for you? This is a product that can help you pump your tire until you get to where you can actually fix your tire well. But this is a product that can help you pump your tire on the spot. Can you beat that? This is a hot problem solving product. Now, in the Millionaire Maker Hospital blueprints, I have 15 tested and trusted products. In case you don't want to go through all the stress of finding a hot product, I already have a 15 tested and trusted product. I can actually go there, pick anyone you want, get the supplier details, contact the supplier, get the product at cheap prices. And also in that course, I will show you how to design your website so that you can start getting sales. I will also show you how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, start getting sales for your products, start getting orders. And I also have a list of delivery agents that you can use to deliver your products anywhere in Nigeria. Also in that course, I have a template that I can actually use to scale your products to other African countries. You don't just be selling only in your home country. You can sell in other African countries too. I sell in Ghana, I sell in Rwanda, I sell in Nigeria, and I make money from there. So I have a template in that course. So go and check it out. It's affordable. That course is affordable. It's a blueprint that you can use to start planning how you make money in 2024. Very, very exciting course. Link in the description. Check. So I hope that you have been able to get something from this video. Now you have seen that this As Seen on TV is a website that you can use to sort your hot selling products. Go and check it out for yourself. Make sure you find hot products that you can start selling in 2024. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed. If you have not turned on the notification bell, what are you waiting for? Turn it on so that whenever I make a video, you will be the first to know about it. And if you have questions, please leave it in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as I get it. And even if you don't have any question, just say, Victor, well done. Thank you for sharing this video. And I'll be so happy because when you do that, YouTube shares this video and recommends it to more and more people, which leads to the growth of this new channel. You can see that we're still new. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.